Dear friends, today I am showing you how to trade with help of Elder Impulse System plus Bollinger Bands. Very simple strategy, and if you follow this strategy, then you can get the sure success for each and every trade. You get two indicators from this place. Here you can get the Bollinger Bands. This is the Bollinger Bands, and if you type here the Elder Impulse impulse, you can get here just public library Elder Impulse. This is, you can plot it from this area. So strategy is very easy. First of all, before explain this power strategy, I am telling you here you can see the three colors of candles. One is green, others is red, and another is blue candle. Green candle means bullish candle, red candle means bearish candle, and blue candle means neutral candles. Again I am telling you, red candle bearish, green candle bullish, blue candle neutral. When any candle, the blue candle form, particularly at the lower band of Bollinger Bands, you have to prepare for entry. Not entry when the blue candle forms. When green candles forms above the blue candles, then you can take entry. Suppose here you see this is the blue candles, here red candles, blue candles. Don't take entry this place. You can take entry from this area. This is green candle. Not entry here, because here the green candle not form above the blue candle. When the green candle forms above the blue candles, here the blue candles high is 932. So you can entry particularly from this place. Here the candle is 936. Your entry point is 936. You take entry 936, 934. When you can take entry, you can get the maximum point of 989. This is the highest. So this is the good strategy. Don't take entry from any red candle or blue candle at the lower band of Bollinger Bands. When the green candle forms above the blue candles or the red candles, then you can take entry. Always keep in mind you also take entry at the lower band of the Bollinger Bands. Not entry at the red candles or blue candles. When the green candles forms either above the red candles or above the blue candles. Here you also see, here suppose here is the red, this is the blue candles, these are neutral candles. When this candles is form here is blue candles, here is the blue candles. Don't take the entry from this position. Take entry above the blue candles, just when the form of the green candles formation. Here you also see, here the bottom of the lower level of the Bollinger Bands, a blue candle formed, but you take entry just from these places when the green candle form above the blue candles. You also see the movement of the stock. If you entry from this place, suppose 802, you can get easily, this position is 996, a huge profit. Next I am taking another, this is the granules. The granules daily candles, daily chart. Here you also see the good picture from these places. Any places you can take, you can do it any back test, you can get the good result. Here is the Bollinger Band squeezed, so you also get these places. Here the blue candles, these are neutral candles. After that the green candles formed above the blue candles. You can take entry from these places. Suppose the 386, 365, and you can get the good return. This is the 425. Suppose this area, here is the blue candle formed, that the lower band of the Bollinger Bands. After that the blue candles, this is the blue candles, this is the blue candles. They don't take entry from this here, because here no green candle is formed. No green candle is formed. Here you can tell that here you don't take entry from these places, because these blue candle not formed in the lower band of the Bollinger Band. When the blue candle or red candle form at the lower band of the Bollinger Band, you can take entry just above the blue candles or red candles. Keep in mind always, here you can never take entry from this place in these mid positions. If the blue candle form here, and after that the green candle formed or green candle form, then you can take entry. Suppose these positions, this is the Bollinger Bands, lower bands. Here the green candle forms. Here you can take easily, you can take entry from this place. This is a green candle, this is the bullish candle. So you can take, if you can take entry from these places, you can get good profit from these places. So this is a very good strategy and very easy strategy. You can use any chart. Here this is the GenSat technology. Here you also see these places. Here is also the this is the bearish candle, red candles. Here the blue candles don't take entry, but you can take entry from these places. You can get, this is the green candles. So your movement, you also see very huge profits from this place. So always use this entry, particularly at the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, and always take entry above the red candles or blue candles when the green candles formed, above the red candles or blue candles. Blue candles means neutrals, red candles means bearish candles. So I think that you have realized this strategy very well. You always take entry, and after the backtest of the strategy 100 times, and before investment you also consult your financial advisor, and you also subscribe this channel. And if we can get any new strategy, then I can share with you. So don't forget the subscribe of this channel. Thank you friends.